Everyone, this is Sean again. Very happy to be recording another video about what I have been going through those days. I have just started the journey to start my outreach for customers near my place. So I have already sent out, I guess, 200, 300 emails. I'm still trying to figure out if I need to do a cold call to those people. But today, really, I just wanted to share with you the workflow. I'm automating a large portion of this process, and I found this very good scraping tool that's able to, scrape anything from maps. Initially I was looking at Google Maps. There are a couple of tools that's recommended by different people on Google Maps, but unfortunately, as a solo entrepreneur, you want things to be cheap, so that cost efficiency comes to the picture. So this is the tool called Map Scraper, which I'm going to leave the link down below. It's a Chrome extension that's able to scrape data from bitmaps. So I have also did a comparison between Google Map and bitmap. Um, I guess the reason why people are writing programs, Chrome extensions to scrape information from bitmap is it's a faster platform for us to scrape information from there. But essentially, it's the same thing. Google Map may have more information on more businesses, but this is what I found, and it's totally free. Hey, that's the best part, right? So once you have that extension installed, what you need to do is click on. I just if you want to give you guys an example, put in restaurant near New York, where you're going to see this as bitmap, and what you need to do is to say start extraction. Um, leave them a review if you want to, but I can see that the software has not been, sorry, the Chrome extension has not been updated for a long time, but it's still working. So if there's something free and useful, I think it's worth for me to kind of uh, promote this little tool. So basically, you can see it working. It found 30 business leads, and then if I move, okay. Well, apparently the software doesn't really work all the time, so it's because it's free, and then people stop. I think the developers have stopped upgrading the software, but after we try try an error, this is what I figured out. I've just changed this to cocktail bar, and then now it's started. It's working actually. So move the map. You see the businesses start to grow, and then it's starting to get 72 businesses for cocktail bars in New York. The disadvantage though for this app is, this Chrome extension is um, once you it's a little slow, right? So you can see that it's searching for leads for the second business, and I suspect the reason behind that is um, because it is scraping not just the information from the bitmap, but also use that website or information to scrape websites, Facebooks, social medias, Twitters, emails from all different places. So I'm not too sure about the source code. It could be part of the process that the extension is not able to retrieve more information, so it will hang for a couple of seconds. So it started continue search for leads again. But anyway, in this sake of time, I'm not going to show the entire process, the script process. I'm just going to stop right here, but show you the end product. At the end of the day, you're able to download data to Excel. I'm just going to show you the raw data from what I have get from the software. You get the name of the business, the address, the location, which most of the time they're not so useful, but you also get things like the open hours, the phone number, which I would say 99% of those businesses have a phone number, the website, social media from Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and email address. So that's fantastic, right? Because many of the times you need phone numbers, emails to do the outreach. And also, if you don't find anything from there, you can go to their social media websites Anyway, once you have that, the raw data downloaded from the Chrome extension, what I did is I created master sheet. Um, so this master sheet captures the information that I want to capture. So this is already a worked out sheet. Uh, by putting company name, businesses, phone numbers, emails, websites, personalized message, which is I'm going to show you later on. Uh, it's a basic output from the make.com workflow, and then a couple of other information. So without further ado, this is the make.com workflow that I've created. I've kind of created two versions. The first version is the one at the top, actually. The second one is the one at the bottom, which is what I'm really utilizing at this moment. What it does is it's searching for information from Google Sheets, and then it started to look at those that without a personalized, because I'm continuing pumping data to the master sheet for Google Sheets. So I want uh, the 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 rows with the personalized message to be out of the search um, formula, if that makes sense. So basically, I'm running this on demand, so I'm not running this at every 15 or one time interval. I'm running this on demand because I'm keeping adding things in that Google Sheet. So it's not like a fully automated process yet, but I think it does most of the job. Um, Basically, once you find out that there is a there is uh, no personalized message, and then the company name exists, so that the row is actually filled up, right? It'll come down, say that okay, this one is dummy filter because I was looking at I was using the healthcare because healthcare category is the first set of data that I downloaded, so it may not. It's basically done right here. But anyway, once I go down, there are two things that I'm doing. One is I'm looking at emails because right now I'm code outreaching through emails only. So if the email exists, what I did is I've also want to download a file from my Google Drive, and it says demo voice agent small. So it's a little 1 minute video demo of the voice um, AI voice agent that I created, and then I'll be sending out an email showing a template, sending to that email address that you just get from the scripting tool, sending to that company name with the business type, and everything is written in the email, and then I'll be updating that same content in Excel and Google Sheets. If there's no email exists, I'll just go ahead and update in the Google Sheet in that column I. So basically, that's it. That's the whole process. And then talking about the composing of the email, I think I was trying, as you can see, DeepSeek. It was the hype recently, but I realized it's not giving me the best email. So I did use Anthropic Claude at the end, and initially I was customizing every email based on the information um, that you can scrape from the business website. But I realized I kind of was looking at, did a few rounds of trial and error looking at different versions that the AI wrote, and I realized probably it is good that I'm just writing one template, but embedding the company's business name in the email because essentially I've already categorized them into different categories, being dentist, dental clinics, or a law firm, or hair salon, stuff like that. So I think that's it. That's really all I want to share with you today. I'm still using this workflow as we speak. This is going to be part of my journey to kind of um, start my AI agency from the ground. Um, but yeah, I'll be sharing this blueprint as usual in the description, and then in any case you want to give me any feedback or just want to reach out to me if you have suggestions,